Welcome back to BioInfo, your go-to channel for discovering the lives and fortunes of the world's wealthiest individuals. Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of Diane Hendricks, a self-made billionaire whose journey is nothing short of remarkable. Stick around to learn how she built her empire, overcame personal challenges, and amassed a jaw-dropping net worth. Early life, Diane Hendricks was born on May 10th, 1947, in Wisconsin, USA. Growing up on a dairy farm as the daughter of dairy farmers, Diane learned the value of hard work from an early age. Her upbringing instilled in her a strong work ethic and a drive for success, which would later become key to her achievements. She graduated high school but did not pursue formal higher education, instead choosing to follow her entrepreneurial instincts. The start of her career. Diane's career began in real estate, where she developed a keen sense of business. Her big break came when she partnered with her late husband, Ken Hendricks. Together, they co-founded ABC Supply in 1982, a company specializing in wholesale roofing, siding, and windows. Their vision was to make building materials accessible to contractors nationwide, and their dedication paid off. Rise to success. Under Diane's leadership, ABC Supply grew into one of the largest wholesale distributors of roofing and siding in the United States. Even after Ken's tragic passing in 2007, Diane took over the reins and expanded the business further. Her strategic decisions and resilience have been instrumental in the company's continued success. Today, ABC Supply operates over 800 locations and generates billions in annual revenue. Net worth and achievements. As of current year, Diane Hendricks' net worth is estimated at over $15 billion, making her one of the richest self-made women in the world. She has been featured multiple times on Forbes' lists of billionaires and influential women. Beyond her business acumen, Diane is known for her philanthropic efforts, including significant contributions to education, healthcare, and community development in her home state of Wisconsin. Personal life. Despite her immense wealth, Diane remains grounded. She is a mother of 7 children and has always emphasized the importance of family. Her story is a testament to perseverance, hard work, and the ability to turn challenges into opportunities. In conclusion, Diane Hendricks' journey from a small dairy farm in Wisconsin to becoming a billionaire businesswoman is an inspiring tale of determination and vision. Her legacy continues to grow, proving that with the right mindset, anything is possible. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the lives of the world's wealthiest individuals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BioInfo. Let us know in the comments whose biography you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.